When installing your NorthStar window, always begin by checking the rough opening to ensure that the window unit will fit. The rough opening should be 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch larger than the window, both horizontally and vertically. Place shims at the bottom of your rough opening. Center the frame in the opening so there is equal space between the jambs of the frame and the jambs of the rough opening. Tack your unit in place through the nail flange if applicable using number 8 by 2 1/2 inch screws. Exercise caution if the window is supplied without a nail flange. Use shims to temporarily hold the window in place. Place shims roughly 5 inches in from each corner and at approximately 16-inch intervals around the sill and side jambs. Do not shim at the head. Confirm your frame is level, plumb, and square, and adjust shims if necessary, ensuring the shims at the sill are firm. Confirm your unit has remained level, plumb, and square. Additional shims should be placed at the sill below the roto operator. Open the sash fully. Using the suggested number 8 by 2 1/2 inch screws at each of the sill shim locations and the unshimmed head, exercising caution to not bow the frame, install to further secure your unit in place. Your screw position should be 5/8 of an inch away from the frame interior wall. Install screws at each of the side jamb shim locations. It is crucial that you seal screw heads in the bottom of the frame with a quality silicone sealant. Partially close the sash and install a number 8 by 2 1/2 inch screw through the roto operator mechanism. This screw should be sealed with a quality silicone. Close the sash fully. Visually inspect the exterior of the window to ensure that the gap between the frame and sash members remains constant. If the operator fails to open, close, or lock properly, verify that the sill and jambs are square and cross-measure corner to corner. Insulate between the window frame and the rough opening, ensuring all voids are filled. Caution must be exercised while foaming as not to overpack the insulation, causing the unit frame to distort. Once the insulation has dried, trim any excess materials from your opening and cut down your shims. Seal the perimeter of your unit using a quality silicone sealant.